I would like to compliment that you are doing a great job. You are taking that initiative to learn English and go forward in your life. Very few people take that step of coming out of their comfort zone and trying to become something better in life. So kudos on that.
Okay.
So let me introduce myself quickly so that you have
Okay.
some information about myself. As you know, my name is Kunal Gupta, and you must be aware that I am having a YouTube channel where I upload conversations so that viewers can watch my videos and learn how to communicate and how to become confident. That's one. And when it comes to my educational qualification, I have completed my BTech in computer science. It's been more than a year now, and currently I'm not doing the job in that field. I'm doing a job in my father's business. So that's
Okay.
about my work. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like listening to music, I like watching movies, I like sports, and I like to learn a new skill.
Okay, great, buddy. Nice introduction. So I'm just getting the question that what, as you said, you like to learn the new skills. So what is the skill right now you are learning?
Oh, so right now I have something on my bucket list, that is, I want to learn to swim, but I have not started it yet.
Okay, what is the last skill that you have done? Like, obviously, no one is perfect in any skills, but what is the last skill?
So the last skill that I've ticked off from my bucket list is of driving a car. I have learned how to drive a car,
Okay.
so that is
Okay.
one skill I have that I have acquired, and the next one that I just told you about swimming. So I will be currently pursuing it in a couple of months.
Great. Great job, man. Good.
I would like to compliment that you are doing a great job. You are taking that initiative to learn English and go forward in your life. Very few people take that step of coming out of their comfort zone and trying to become something better in life. So kudos on that.
Okay.
Yes. And any questions that you have in mind that you wanted to ask me before this session?
Yeah, I have. I'm the person who are very good at questioning. Okay, which I consider myself. Okay, I'm not
Okay.
overconfident, but yeah, I in the initial when you introduce yourself, I thought we have a good amount of time to we can discuss the things because as you said, you are the passed out of a computer science student, and I am the
Mhm.
also student of a computer science who are in a final year right now, just entered in the seventh semester. So we have lots of things to talk. Okay, so
We have
why
lots
is
of
the
things in
reason
common.
that yeah, and what is, I just wanted to know that don't you wanted to do the job in your own field or like you wanted to always grab like be into your father's business? What is the like I didn't understand the story, so you can make me understand.
Okay. So first, I thought of doing a job, but then I thought of trying to do business, trying to go in a different field, uh, like being a little adventurous, I would say, like not going to a
Okay,
conventional job or trying something completely new. So I thought that
okay.
let's try for some time. If I don't find it comfortable or if I find it that it's not my cup of tea, then I'll go back to my
Mhm.
job. But as far as I
Okay.
am seeing that I am enjoying the business world and I get to learn a lot because I have to come out of my comfort zone every day. So
Exactly.
I am thinking of sticking to this field.
Okay, great man, great answer. So may I know what kinds of business you are doing?
It's not a very complicated business. It's a jute trading business.
Sorry.
Jute. It's a material jute, if you know,
Okay, okay. Where are you from? Where are you from?
from West Bengal.
Okay, jute. I understand jute, man. Like from, we make the rope and this all the things, right?
Yes, yeah, ropes and there are jute bags that are made. Yes.
And in a Hindi we used to say boras, okay? Like big big
Yeah,
boras of
Bora.
the jute.
Yes. Yes. It's
Yeah,
made
yeah.
from
Okay.
that material. Very
Yeah. So
eco-friendly.
yeah, exactly. So do you like are you doing the import export or you are just planting those all in your farm? Like how you're doing this?
No, no, nothing what you're thinking. It's just buying from the small merchants and selling it to the mills who are producing ropes. It's a small trading business.
Okay, you are the mediator. I can say that, right? You are just between the merchant and the factories, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
absolutely. You got
got
it
it, man.
absolutely correct.
Okay, great.
So let me ask you one question like, through your YouTube channel, or what are the different kinds of people that you have met, and what did you learn through that YouTube journey after uploading videos? Did you learn something or you did not learn something? And are you enjoying the field that you are studying in right now, that is computer science? And what are your future plans? I have asked a lot of question in one question, but you can answer the first question. What you have learned in the YouTube journey?
I will answer you one by one each question, but I will just cut the answer of the last question. That what is your future goal? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, first thing is that what I learned from the YouTube channel. So, as I told you, the first story of the YouTube channel that why I have started, and secondary story was that story of that you starting the YouTube channel because I'm the person who are video editor, not profession, but even I not consider myself as the low level. Okay, mediator. Okay, so
Mediator.
video editor. And then so that is the reason. But before I used to this all the things for practicing myself. So I feel that if I'll be uploading the videos, so in that I will be also polishing my skills. Okay, but
Hmm.
yeah, these kinds of videos have don't do anything, just cut and that's it, nothing else. Correct. I do sometimes color grading. That's it, nothing else. So I just wanted to polish my skills. So through these, I can do that. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing is that I am the person who loves to interact with the people. So through that, I keep on interacting with the people. Another thing is that I am the person who were very fear of camera. So I face the camera. So camera fear. Okay.
Hmm.
Another thing is that when I met the new people, as I met you, and also so many different people from the different age group. Okay, like there are many of the people who are above 50, in my age. Many of the people are teacher, advocate, and so many people I have met. Okay, so meeting with them, knowing their experience in their life and learning of their life, how they have tackled in the 50s. So what kinds of experience they have grabbed from. So because I'm in the 20s right now, so I need these kinds of experience to accelerate my life. Okay, so yeah, these are the I've learned so many things, buddy. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going through your YouTube channel. I see that there's a video with Dehati ma'am. So
Exactly.
yes, so I feel that she is very inspirational in terms of where she is coming from and where she has reached. She has been to Josh Talks and she has a very good amount of subscribers and she has become really popular. And she speaks very good, I would say.
Yeah.
I have some questions on my phone that I ask to people who I meet on Skype. So just give me a minute. I would like to ask you those
Okay.
questions as well.
Okay. Okay.
Not very serious questions, just questions for doing casual talk.
Okay.
So
After a long
my
time, someone is gonna
first
ask
question is
question.
like, if you have any questions, even you can shoot. So my first question is,
No, no,
who
no.
is your dreams?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Who is your dream celebrity to meet? Who would you like to meet if you got a chance?
I'm not. To be
Anybody that
honest,
you
I'm
look
not
up
the.
to?
I'm the person who are not into the so much social media and celebrities life. Okay, so I don't know whom to meet. Okay, but apart from celebrities, I wanted to meet my all friends. Okay, who have my good connection with all over India, even out of the countries through I made online. So my wish to meet all of them.
Okay, great, great. My next question is, are you a spiritual person? If yes, what made you interested in spirituality? If no, why don't you like spirituality? Why are you
Yeah,
not interested in it?
I consider myself a spiritual person. The reason is that my father, okay, because he is a kind of the person, a spiritual person. And second thing is that he always, make me also do these all the things. So I believe in a spirituality, and yeah, I do puja every day. I believe in a, that doing the puja, and though I'm a big fan of Krishna, okay,
Hmm.
and yeah, I'm the person who do meditation, puja, and this all the things. So yeah, I consider myself as a spiritual person.
Okay. So my next question is, would you like to be rich or famous, or both, or none?
I think if I will be famous, definitely I'm gonna reach, obviously.
Okay. So you would like to be famous.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a very good answer, very logical answer. But if you
The,
go the other way around, that if you are rich but you can't become famous.
yeah, and another thing is that the famous is that one thing I just wanted to like, if I will be a famous, okay, so someone will get recognized by me that yeah, see, Chandan friend is going. See, so it's a great feeling for that person.
Hmm, absolutely. So let me see what else I have on my list.
Okay.
This is a deep question, I would say, like a serious question. So, how do you react to failures in life? Are you good at handling failures, or you are able to handle it in a very good manner?
I'll give you the simple example. You can just assume that, okay, I'm the
Okay,
person since 1 to 10th class, okay, I have studied in my village. I was the person who have never let me out, okay, out of my village, okay, because the how can I say that the family was like that who like not wanted to
conservative.
let me out, not conservative in the sense like as a parents they are very emotional and like don't want to see that yeah their son are doing going
Insecure.
outside and yeah, security purpose. Okay, you can say that. So yeah, but after 10th class, I have moved from my higher study, 11th or 12th to my city. That was the first day of where I start cooking. I start seeing the life by myself. I was standing on my leg and just
Own feet.
roaming in the unknown city. Okay, so that was the thing. So obviously you can imagine how much problem I have faced. Okay, without apart from leaving my family after that the the sea of the problem I can say that comes when I move Bihar to Bangalore. So yeah, just imagine.
Okay, great. I feel that problem should be there in everybody's life because
Exactly.
uh, it teaches them how to deal with those situations, and if they can deal with it properly, they become a good person after they solve that problem, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yes. And what are your personal or career goals? If you want to answer it.
See, I believe that I have some of the bad habits. Okay, so I wanted to change with the good habits. Okay, but it's not a overnight possible. So I'm just working one by one. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what are those. Okay, but yeah, I'm working on one of one. And if you talk about professional, so yeah, I'm not going to tell you the long term which I have, but yeah, in a shorter time, I have to get into some company to get some experience that how the industry is working, how the people are working and how the actually the organization and corporate world is. Okay, so just for understanding purpose, I have to get into some job. Yeah. Okay, I wish to have you in another session. Okay, where I'll be
Mhm.
booming my question to you. Okay. Then
Okay.
I'll because right now seriously I'm not in a mood to have a much conversation, but I have managed anyhow. I think I have done well. Okay, but yeah,
Okay.
I'll come up with you again, and definitely
Mm.
we are going to boom that session.
Yes, no problem. No problem. You did well in this session and you made it very interactive, and even I enjoyed the session. And yeah, let's wrap up the session and let's hope to meet soon.